Hello, I am Manisha and you are watching Yoga with Home Learning Zone. Today we are going to talk about Yogasan related to migraine. In upcoming parts, we will also cover pranayam and relaxation. I will cover three yogasans related to migraine: Padhastasana, Setubandhasan, and Adho Mukha Svanasana.
So here we go with Padhastasana. For Padhastasana, first stand in Tadasana, legs together, kneecaps tight, stretch your abs muscles and stand erect. Now slowly with inhalation, raise your hands, move backward as far as you can go. Please ensure your lower body is not moving at all. Now, with exhalation, bend forward. Come up to 90 degree and stay there with normal breathing. Take 1 or 2 breaths and with exhalation, move forward again. Touch your palms with the floor. Try to touch your forehead with your knees. If you can't do this while you are forward bending, bend your knees a bit, put your palm on the floor, touch your forehead, and then try to stretch your knees and make your legs straight. Stay in this position for 15 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Now slowly with inhalation, come up, raise your hands, and with exhalation, come back to the original position. For Setubandhasan or a bridge pose, lie down on your mat. Keep your palms on the floor. Now slowly bend your legs from knees and keep your heels on your fingers. With inhalation, raise your hips, your lower back and your upper back up to the point where your chin touches your collarbone. If you can't go up to this point, go as far as you can and stay in this pose for 15 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Now with exhalation, slowly lower your upper back, your lower back and your hips. Straighten your legs and relax. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let us sit in Vajrasana first. Normal breathing. With inhalation, raise your hands, move backward as far as you can. And then with exhalation, come forward, keeping your back straight, stretch your hands and touch your palms to the floor. Stay there for 1 or 2 breaths. And with exhalation, raise yourself from hips, keeping your legs straight, kneecap tightened, hands straight, and try to move your head downward as far as you can. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Now with 1 or 2 breaths, come up, bend your knees, come to the sitting position and with inhalation, raise your hands and return to Vajrasana. Relax. Stay tuned for next video. Till then, have a good day.